Here's how I make my slip knot. So this is the yarn. Okay, just wrap it from my finger and pinch it. Okay, both the strands here, I just pinch it. Okay, now this is the working yarn and this is the tail. Okay, now what I do, I just twist, make a loop. Okay, here forming across like this, make a loop and then place that loop on the working yarn. Then pinch it, the loop you can see in the middle. Okay, and then pull it, and we have our loop for the work. Okay, so here I'll show you how I do. I just grab it, hold it, make a twisted loop like this. Okay, then place it on the working yarn like this, laying it flat, and then pull the middle part like this. Okay, then this loop and the hook. Okay, now we are going to place the loop on the hook and pull the working yarn to tighten the loop. Okay, so when you pull the working yarn, your loop gets tightened. Now working yarn will be on the finger, which will flow. Okay, and this is the tail here. Now we are going to make chains. So how we do? We just grab. So you're going to hold your hook like this. Okay, pull it, grab it like this, yarn over the hook. Okay, and turn this way and then pull. We are keeping this loop here on our finger. This is the tension, we are keeping it tight. Okay, so what you're going to do, yarn over the hook, turn the hook and bring it out to the first loop which we made. Okay, yarn over the hook, turn the hook, pull it out from the loop. So we have created a next loop and we have made 2 chains. Okay, so now again we do yarn over the hook, turn the hook, pull it through the loop. Now this is the working loop. Okay, always remember, whenever we are pulling your hook through the loop, it should be pointing like this, not like this. It will not come out in this way. Okay, the point of the hook should be always pointing downwards. So yarn over the hook, point it downwards, pull it out. Now another thing to remember, yarn over, when you're pulling, hold this with your thumb and the finger, and this yarn should be not loose, not like this. If it will be like this, it will not come. It will come, but it will make very loose chains, which we don't want. So we need to keep the yarn flow in a nice and moderate way, not too tight, not too loose. Okay, now some people like to wrap their yarn like this for the finger to maintain the tension. Okay, so you just wrap and pull. Okay, like this. For me, I like this. Now, in whichever way you like your yarn to be holding with this hand, okay, so that the flow of the yarn from the yarn ball is nice and smooth. Okay, so we do chain in this way. So we are creating chain in this manner. Whenever we have to pull, we have to point the hook point downwards. Okay, then only it will come out from the chain. How can you count the chain? Now the chain is counted, so this is the working loop. Okay, so whenever you are counting the chain, you see this V is created by the chain, so this is considered as one chain. Okay, so let's count how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now this is the working loop, so it doesn't count. Okay, the working loop is never counted, so you count your chains in this way. Okay, so you can see this is your chain, this V, right? Now, so for today's lesson, we learned how to make the starting slip knot, starting loop, and the chains. Okay, and how to count the chain. So in the next lesson, we will learn how to make single crochet. Okay, and there will be further lessons too. So this is the first lesson. So I hope you understood, and if you have any questions regarding that, please do write it in the comment section and I surely answer them. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe for getting more information and more videos on how to crochet. So till then, take care and bye bye.